Nothing OS 4 has sparked attention with a concept vision from designer Slava Kornilov, who reimagines what a modern operating system could be. His work, shared on Dribble and X, presents a refined aesthetic that blends functionality with calm, user-focused design. Instead of chasing trends, Kornilov's approach emphasizes balance and sophistication, using soft, muted tones and minimalist layouts to create a system that feels both expressive and subtle. It's a striking contrast to the cluttered visuals often seen in mobile software today, and it demonstrates how design choices can influence the emotional connection users have with technology. What stands out in this concept is its seamless blend of practicality and feeling. Kornilov doesn't just showcase menus or icons. He builds an atmosphere where every interaction carries intent. Animations flow smoothly, spacing feels deliberate, and the interface breathes rather than overwhelms. This idea of creating a calm OS is especially relevant as users grow tired of noise-filled digital environments. By focusing on clarity and restraint, Nothing OS 4 could embody a software experience that feels almost therapeutic compared to traditional systems. Concepts like this remind us that software design isn't only about efficiency or technical features. It's about how technology makes us feel in daily use. Kornilov's vision highlights the importance of small details, such as the rhythm of an animation or the harmony between empty space and information. These subtle elements shape the way we perceive technology, often more than raw specifications. His take on Nothing OS 4 pushes the idea that an operating system can become more than just a tool. It can act as a calm, creative space for its users. Of course, concept designs exist outside the pressures of production, budgets, and hardware constraints. They are free from limitations, which allows them to explore possibilities that may not always be feasible in reality. Yet this freedom is exactly what makes them valuable. They provide inspiration, setting benchmarks for companies to rethink what's possible in the next generation of software. Even if Nothing's actual OS 4 doesn't replicate Kornilov's design fully, the philosophy behind it could still guide the brand toward more thoughtful and distinctive user experiences. For Nothing, a company already known for its bold, transparent hardware and unique branding, embracing even part of this vision could be a strategic move. It would reinforce its identity as a challenger brand that prioritizes originality over imitation. If Nothing OS 4 manages to deliver a software experience that captures even a fraction of the clarity seen in this concept, it could strengthen its position in a competitive industry often dominated by repetitive, trend-driven updates. As for the release, Nothing OS 4 is expected to roll out in 2025, with availability aligning closely to the launch of the company's next flagship device. If Nothing brings Kornilov's vision to life, it could mark a defining step for the company's ecosystem and its long-term identity in tech.